brings together two formidable forces in Philippine media and entertainment. We have Vice Ganda, a cultural icon whose influence has helped shape Philippine entertainment and popular culture, joins forces with Media Quest, the holdings company of TV5, Signal, Philippine Star, to name a few. Media Quest is the media arm of the MVP Group, one of the country's largest and most influential business groups, with a leadership spanning telecommunications, infrastructure, utilities, finance, healthcare, sports, and media. Together, they bring unparalleled reach, influence, and audience connection to a partnership that opens bold new possibilities across different content formats. Today, we will witness a historic alliance between an entertainment icon and a media titan. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vice Ganda x Media Quest, the phenomenal partnership. Yay! And to formally welcome everyone, may we call on the President and CEO of Media Quest Holdings, our boss, Mr. Ricky Vargas.
Good evening, everyone. Sabi ko nga kay Vice nung nakita ko siya sa baba, medyo ninervyos ako. I've never been beside a star like her. So, Vice, welcome. Sa isang tahanan, lahat kayo magkakapamilya. Merong mga magkakapuso sa isang tahanan. Kasi yung magkakapuso, yung mga kamag-anak nag-aasawa, hindi ba? Bawat isa sa magkapuso yun. Pero ang pinakamalapit na relationship mo sa isang tahanan ay sa kapatid mo. So, meron din mga magkakapatid. So, we welcome you to our family as we are now kapamilya, but more than that, we are kapatid. So, welcome, Vice. Hindi ko na tuloy nabasa yung script ko. Ang problema kasi, ito si... Can I just talk? Ito si Ranbel, sabi na, mag-itim ka, mag-round neck ka na itim, mag-jacket ka, katapos gusto ko, puti yung rubber shoes mo. So, sabi ko, ganun ba talaga? Sabi ko, oh, ganun talaga yun. So, he was telling me this all night after we watched Hand of God. A beautiful movie. I think you should watch that, Hand of God. So, for years, the industry was competing against each other. Vice is an example of what we can become, di ba? What we can become stronger together, what we can share with and gift our people with the best talents that this industry can give our people, no? And Vice is a gift to the Filipino people. His gift is laughter. His gift is fun. And we want to share his gift to as many people as possible. And maybe in Kapatid, in TV5, with Media Quest, which is it's more than just TV. Media Quest is more than just TV. It goes beyond TV. We can reach as many people as we can and share the gift of Vice. So Vice, you're here with us. We'd like to work with you. We'd like to be a true kapatid. Subukan nyo yung puso ng kapatid. Subukan mo naman kami. And welcome to this great event. And we welcome you to Meralco. Meralco is kapatid. This is not TV5, but it's Meralco. It's all part of the MVP group. You have Meralco, you have water, maraming tubig ngayon sa kalye, di ba? So, you have the hospital group. Vice, she's the head of the hospital, the online MWell Group, Shay, who has been helping us put this dream together to have you with us. Vice brings to the people a compelling entertainment option. So we'd like to be part of that gift to the Filipino people, and we look forward with Vice on what we can build together as kapatid and as one family working together. So Vice, maraming salamat, welcome, and thank you. It's an honor to be beside you. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Ricky Vargas. The gift of Vice. Ang ganda nun, yun. Wala pang Pasko, may gift-giving na. Diba? Beyond today's signing is an opportunity to create, collaborate, and explore new ways of reaching and entertaining Filipino audiences. To share a few words on what this partnership can bring, eto naman, bibigyan natin ng pagkakataon si Mr. Ranvel Rufino, Head of Partnerships, People and Business Development of Slingshot Studios, for a few words. Sir Ranvel?
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for all being here. Tonight's signing opens up many exciting possibilities for Vice and MQuest. As for Slingshot, our relationship with both Vice and MQuest is built on trust that has already been earned. Slingshot has always had the privilege of working with Vice and their team, and that experience has given us the love and respect to help make this deal possible. Likewise, MediaQuest knows firsthand what Slingshot can deliver. So today is not a leap of faith. It is three proven forces, Vice, MediaQuest, and Slingshot, coming together, ready and poised to bring a new brand of entertainment to the Filipino audience. While television will certainly be an important part of this partnership, we see opportunities that go well beyond the screen. Vice, of course, brings a unique creative voice and an exceptional connection with the audiences. And combined with MediaQuest ecosystem, from free-to-air to pay TV, digital and social media, and Slingshot's creative and productions expertise, we have a strong foundation to create experiences that are relevant, engaging, and distinctly Filipino. We are excited to get started to see where this partnership takes us. Thank you, MVP. Thank you, sis. I love you both. Good evening.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Ranvel Rufino. Hindi na po tayo magpapatumpik-tumpik pa at pupunta na tayo sa exciting part. We now come to the central moment of today's gathering, the ceremonial signing of the partnership between MediaQuest and Vice Ganda. May we now invite our photographers and members of the press to capture this moment. We'll allow a few minutes for the official signing photos. Ladies and gentlemen, eto na po ang ceremonial signing. For our signees, hold pens and please look at the camera. Step by step po ito. Okay, hold the pens and smile for the camera. Now, next step, look at the contract while signing. O, diba? Sorry, para meron may mga shot na ganyan. Next, look at the camera, then sign. O, diba? May ganun. I hope you are catching this historic moment for MediaQuest and Vice Ganda. Alright. Ngayong hapon, may pirmahan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have officially marked the beginning of the partnership between Vice Ganda and MediaQuest. Palakpakan naman dyan, everybody! And of course, to share his thoughts on this new partnership, it is my privilege to call on the chairman of the MVP Group and MediaQuest Holdings Incorporated, Sir MVP. Any few words po?
On behalf of the MVP Group, of course TV5, we extend to you again our warmest welcome, Vice. You have built an exceptional career with your exceptional talents. So on your own, you built a distinctive brand, an audience that is not only nationwide, but that goes beyond the shores of the Philippines, which in a career that very few in your industry can match. This event completes the elevation of Vice Ganda to the title Queen of all networks. As Randall indicated, combining the capabilities of Slingshot, and we offer to you the many platforms, of course, not only television, free to air, but also pay TV, and of course the streaming services of PLDT and Smart. So various platforms that we can build the scale and the reach that is beyond any of the TV networks. So we offer something with you, something that's bigger and better and different for Filipino media and entertainment. So this is a milestone event, as you indicated. So a partnership built beyond today, and let's hope we can build a new era for entertainment. Thank you again, Vice, for being part of the Kapatid family. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Manny V. Pangilinan. And now, I'm sure hinihintay niyo to. Let's hear a few words from the one and the only Asia's unkaboggable, phenomenal box office superstar, and now, the queen of all networks, Meme Vice Ganda.
Tawa ko dun sa Queen of All Networks. Anyway, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, Sir MVP, Sir Rick Vargas, Ranvel, to all the members of the press, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng MVP Group, ng Media Quest. Thank you so much for being here, for joining us tonight, and for joining us witness this wonderful partnership between me and Media Quest. Maraming salamat po. And I just want to say thank you very much po for your trust, for believing in me, for believing that I can offer something to your group. And I'm just so grateful and super excited to be able to unleash the every ounce of creativity, hard work, and passion that's still left in my soul. So sa ilang taon na rin akong araw-araw yung napapanood sa telebisyon, pero naniniwala pa rin naman ako na meron pa akong maibibigay, meron pa akong ibubuga, at natutuwa ako na sa mga karagdagang platapormang meron po kayo, mas magiging malaya ako at magkakaroon ng pribilehiyo yung makapagbigay pa ng magandang serbisyo sa mamamayang Pilipinas sa pamamagitan ng kind of entertainment na ino-offer ko. And I am also very grateful to ABS-CBN for every learning na bit-bit ko ngayon, sa every experience na meron ako ngayon, sa lahat ng mai-offer ko na nagsimula sa kanila, sa mga karanasan kong ibinigay sa kanila. And I'm just so happy na sa mga partnerships ko now and in the future, ABS-CBN still will always be there to guide me and be part of every content and program that I will be doing. Maraming salamat po, Sir MVP, for allowing me to extend my talent to your audiences. Masaya lang ako because we did not have a not so happy experience in the past, because as we all know, Showtime used to air in TV5 and then suddenly nawala. So it broke my heart at that time. Pero ngayon, nakakatuwa na, syempre yung heartbreak nahi-heal, nagkakaroon ng maraming learnings, at pwede pa rin makabuo ng isang magandang relationship pa after a heartbreak. At I'm just super excited. Kagabi pa lang, di ako makatulog. Ang dami ko naiisip, ang dami kong gustong content na gawin. Hindi na naman ako mapakali. At ito yung gusto kong feeling, yung excitement. Because I started Showtime 16 years ago, so almost every day for the past 16 years, nagtatrabaho ako. Pero yun ang kinakatakot ko, yung dumating ako isang araw na parang hindi na ako na-excite. Yung parang feeling ko parang yun at yun, nagiging routinary na yung mga nagaganap. Yung parang, yung kahit pumikit ako, kahit hindi ako maligo, alam ko na yung gagawin ko. This partnership gives me so much excitement. Na-ignite niya yung fire sa akin. Parang kinikiliti niya ulit ako, parang kumukulo na naman yung tiyan ko, yung lumalala yung acid reflux ko. Gusto ko yung ganong feeling, yung lumalala yung acid reflux ko, na gusto ko yung pakiramdam na ay, may bagong bahay, may mga bagong taong makakausap, may mga bagong makakatrabaho. Gusto ko yun, gusto ko yung challenge na yun dahil naniniwala ako na yung comfortability is the enemy of achievements. Diba? Is the enemy of excellence, yung comfortability. So gusto ko tong hindi ako masyadong komportable at mas masusubo ko pa kung ano pa yung mga kaya kong ibigay. At maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at sa inyong tiyaga. Dahil hindi naman nangyari overnight itong partnership na to. So, thank you very much. And ayun lang. I hope I will be able to make myself and everyone who is behind this partnership really very proud. So, maraming salamat po and sana po supportahan niyo po kami sa mga magagawa naming proyekto together. Thank you very much.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the queen of all networks, Vice Ganda. And before we conclude, we'd like to take a few moments to hear more about this partnership and what it represents moving forward. May konting questions lang tayo for Boss MVP and Meme Vice Ganda. This question is for Sir Manny V. Pangilinan. MediaQuest has built a strong presence across the Philippine media landscape. What made this the right time to enter into this partnership with Vice Ganda, and what excites you most about what lies ahead?
Let me address the second part of that question. I think of course, Vice is a very exceptional person, no? Exceptional talent, and I'm sure we as well are all excited about what content they could bring to TV5. So the partnership, the combination of capabilities will certainly give a new dimension to not only to TV5 but cuts across the group, right? Because the various platforms of PLDTV Smart, which I think we need to brief you about so that you can generate more ideas. And of course, we bring together the partnership between the telco and Maya, the various platforms of Maya itself in terms of merchant acquiring, the wallet, and the bank, which could be part of the overall ecosystem of media. And as I said, in terms of the why at this time, any time with Vice is the right time. You see?
Thank you, Boss MVP, di ba? Anytime with Vice is the right time. Etong question naman ay para kay Meme. Meme, anong feeling na pahaba na ng pahaba yung title mo? Ngayon may nadagdag pang Queen of All Networks. How does that feel?
Hindi ko na rin alam kung ano mga nangyayari sa paligid ko. It's just overwhelming na may mga ganitong ganap. Sabi ko nga, ang life is just so mysterious. Hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari, bakit nangyayari, kailan mangyayari, yung akala mo yun na yun pero hindi pa rin, di ba? I just embrace life every day. Parang, Lord, give mo kung anong meron dyan, di ba? Bibigyan mo ako ng a day of fun, a day of another achievement, embrace ko yan. Bibigyan mo ako ng isang araw na ibabash ako, isang buong linggo, embrace ko din yan, yung ganun. Nakakatuwa lang na, kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi nagbabago yung na-figure out ko a couple of years ago na hindi tayo pwedeng magdikta hindi pwedeng sa ating manggaling kung kailan tayo magpipeak at kung kailan talaga tayo ang nagpipeak. Kasi hindi mo naman alam kung ano ibibigay bukas eh, di ba? Who would have ever thought that I would be sitting down here together with all these executives, pipirma ng kontrata with TV5, di ba? Ang daming nangyayari. So, i-embrace lang natin i-embrace. Kung may bagong title, i-embrace. Pangatawanan, lalong galingan. Oo. Eh kasi, it's, yung mga ganyang mga sinasabi na magaganda sa'yo, hindi naman siya basta sinasabi to flatter you. It gives you another level of responsibility. Diba? Parang, ay, may ganyang sinasabi. So, para walang pahiyaan, panindigan na natin at pangatawanan at galingan natin lalo. Diba? Araw-araw, kailangan tayong may patunayan sa sarili natin. Yung sinasabi nila na, tagal mo na dyan, okay ka na, wala ka na dapat patunayan. Siguro sa inyo, pero sa sarili ko, may gusto kasi akong patunayan. Gusto kong sabihin sa sarili ko na, sumasakit lang yung tuhod ko minsan dahil sa edad ko, o dahil hindi ako natutulog, dahil puyat ako. Pero umaandar at gumagana pa rin yung utak ko. Kaya meron at meron pa rin akong maibibigay. Kaya dun sa mga bagong title, o mga bagong, maraming salamat. It's a blessing.
Next question, Nene. If there's one thing you want audiences to expect from the partnership of Vice Ganda and Media Quest, what is it?
I want them to expect. I want also to expect. With the audience, I want to expect a pasabog projects. Hello, ang dami yung pera, dapat pasabog talaga tayo sa MVP. Diba? Parang magtataka yung mga tao, ang dami yung pera, bakit parang tipid yung production? Yung gano'n. Hindi, kidding aside, mag-expect sila ng same thing. Diba? Ano yung gusto nyo sa akin? Anong hinahanap nyo? You need fun, you need laughter every day to make you through to help you through the day. You need to laugh, to escape every now and then. I will give that to you with the help and support of Media Quest. And aside from that, sabi nga nung nag-meet kami ni Sir MVP, meron akong narinig sa kanya na hindi ko makakalimutan. Kasi nung tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, before ako nag-decide, but why will I enter into this agreement? Diba? What will it do me? Anong mabibigay ko din sa kanila? Anong mabibigay nito sa audiences? Diba? At this very moment, naghihingalo naman talaga ang telebisyon. At yung hamon na bukas makalawa, wala ng telebisyon dahil sa dami ng ibang libre platforms. Yun ang isang mga bagay na ayoko na-embrace. Bukod sa pinaghahandaan, gusto kong hanggat makakaya natin ang mga na-industriya, ipaglaban natin, maipagpatuloy itong nasimulan natin. Kaya nung sinabi niya sa akin na, at this point, we just need to unite. Because I have what you don't have, and you have what I don't have. So let's just unite because the industry needs for us to unite in order to survive. So that's very clear. He has what we don't have. We have what he doesn't have. So pag pinagsama mo yon, it's a win-win for so many people.
Yes, thank you very much, Meme Vice. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have our official photos. May we ask Mr. Manny V. Pangilinan, Mr. Ricky Vargas, Mr. Randall Rufino, and Vice Ganda to remain in front for the official photo opportunity session. Yeah. So first, may we request all four signees to stand up and face the camera. Yeah, picture. All right, please capture this momentous and historic occasion for Media Quest Holdings Incorporated and the queen of all networks, Vice Ganda.